Every garage needs a quality workbench that's both strong, sturdy and with plenty of storage. That's exactly what this garage is missing. I'm going to show you how to knock one together just like this. We've got all the tools and equipment needed for the job. Just pop down to your local Bunnings and we'll look after you. We've had the timber already pre-cut at Bunnings. Treated pine so I could use it inside and outside. I'm now going to measure both my points for my cross braces. A handy hint is to have both edge timbers together so you only have to measure and mark once. Now I'm going to put my cross beams and ends on. This is now ready to be screwed together. It's best to pre-drill the holes prior to screwing so you don't split the timber. Screw the frame together using outdoor screws for better weather resistance. We need to do 2 of these frames. Now I'll knock together both sides. This is one of the legs already prepared. When I make my sides, I want the plywood to sit flush, so I use my combination square to measure the thickness of the ply, then mark on the edge of both timbers. Once I've put this leg together, then I can start piecing the workbench together. Now I'll piece together the frame and screw it off. I'm putting this workbench on wheels so you can take it wherever you like. My workbench is really starting to take shape. Now I'm going to flip it over and fix the plywood. Remember I left this gap, so now the plyboard will fit straight in. The last thing we need to do with the workbench is screw the top down. There you have it, a mobile workbench complete. Great bench space on the top, heaps of storage space underneath. I think it's going to be a great addition to this garage.